Good morning, students. I hope you completed question number 1 to 14 of worksheet 1. Today we are going to start worksheet 1, question number 15. In question number 15, this equation is given to you. Firstly, you will solve this, means you will multiply this 3 with this binomial. Okay, side by side you open this bracket, we open this 2z minus 7 because no sign is given here, it means here plus sign. Okay, and we open this bracket, as it is we will write here, we multiply minus 9z minus plus minus 3 8s are 24, and this we will write as it is. Here 2z minus 9z we will write like terms together. Okay, here minus 7 minus 24 we will write together. After solving this we get this minus 7z, here minus 31, here this. Okay, now transposing we will write this 4z, we shift this 4z to left side and this 31 to right side. Okay, after solving this minus 11z and here 22 will come because 31 is positive, greater value sign we write here, plus 22 will come here. After solving we get this value z equals minus 2. Now putting z equals minus 2, here LHS is this, see LHS is this, we will put this value in LHS, z equals minus 2. Wherever z is given we will write minus 2. Okay, that place. After solving, see minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 minus 6 plus 8. Okay, after solving this we get this value minus 17, and RHS is given this 4z minus 9. We will write, firstly we will write RHS, then put this value. After solving this we get minus 17c, both are equal, we will write this, it's verified. Okay, now question number 17, this equation is given to you. We will shift this x minus 4 to left side. Okay, after firstly we will take LCM of denominators, we will solve this. After solving we get c, here 12 is in the denominator, we will shift this denominator 12 to right side. Okay, it is in division, here we will write it multiplication. Okay, now we get this value x equals minus 6. Putting x equals minus 6, LHS, now LHS is this, see we will write it here, and in place of x we will write value of x. After solving we get this value. Okay, same RHS we will write here, we put this value. After solving we get this value, x equals means is equal to minus 1. Here LHS and RHS both are equal, we will write this, hence verified. Okay, in this way we completed this 17th question also. Now question number 20, this equation is given, we will transpose this to left side. Okay, after solving shifting, transposing, we solve this by taking LCM. You know how to take LCM. Okay, up to here you can do. Now see, we will solve these like terms here, minus 6 and 5 and 18x and 10x. Okay, we transpose this 15, we will write this side. Okay, now transposing this I know you can do this. Now this is clear to you, you can do. After getting this value we will check our answer. Okay, this is check x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here in LHS we put this value, x equals minus 1 by 2. After solving we get this value. This RHS is given this. Okay, here we put this value of x. After solving we get this value. Okay, you know I know you can do this, but here from here you can take help, and rest of the questions you try to do yourself. This is your homework for today. Do question number 16, 18 and 19 of worksheet 1 of chapter 7. Okay, okay, this is your homework for today. Do these questions. Thank you.